everyone, I thought I'd give you a quick tour of my bulbs. They're at their peak right now, except for the daffodils. They looked gorgeous and I didn't get them filmed. But the tulips are out. Excuse the traffic noise. The tulips are out and they're in their prime. It's finally stopped raining, so they've opened up and I just think they look gorgeous. They're a combination of Brex bulbs and color blends. I kind of mixed them all up and put them in. You'll see that we have some daffodils, the tete that have gone out of flower, but they were gorgeous. I'll tell you what, I recommend that bulb. That was my favorite bulb this year. They bloomed for weeks. They're gorgeous. They came in thick. The tulips, they've also, I mean, I can't get over them. They're beautiful. We've been getting a lot of rain, so we're in South New Jersey, 6B. But all in all, I mean, the bulbs did really well. I did use liquid fence granules around to deter all of our moles, voles, chipmunks, squirrels. We have it all. So these are the tulips. I really think they're beautiful. They look so beautiful when they open up in the light, and then when they close up, you get two completely different looks at night and in the morning when it's cold. Around here, I forget the white tulip thing, but I have tetetes and the other ones that are very similar to tetetes. They're very short. I love that. They're only now just starting to hang after weeks and weeks of blooming. And then I thought that I had wild tulip and I thought they died or got eaten by the squirrels, but they're coming up. And these are the species tulips. I'm sorry, I'm having trouble seeing the screen, so I'm trying to find one where you can actually see it. There it is. But these are the species tulips. They're basically what a tulip looks like in the wild. And they're absolutely beautiful, and they tend to naturalize. And that's what I'm kind of going to put in just for less work, is a lot of, and a lot of people don't like them because they don't look like the florist style tulip, but I absolutely adore them. I think that they're beautiful. And I love that they're going to come up all on their own. Let me see if I can find it again here. But they're just starting to peek out. And again, I'm sorry, I cannot see anything on my screen to see what I'm filming at this point. So hopefully I did get it for you. But they have tiny little buds. And they appear to all be pink at this point that are coming up. Oh no, here's some yellow. Here's some yellow. But I think they're really, really neat. And then up at my mailbox, I have this gorgeous daffodil. Again, I didn't actually take the time to figure out the name of all of these, and this is my first year with them. But these are so billowy and delicate, and they're just gorgeous, these daffodils. I will put the names up on the screen. And then these are really cool. The leaves look exotic, and they're just starting to open up. So these are a type of tulip also. And they have these buds and these gorgeous leaves. So they're just starting to open, as you can see. So I don't know how high they'll get. They'll probably get much higher than that, I would assume. So that's the whole of at the mailbox. Then I'll take it to the back where I have a few more. We'll walk past the tulips once more. Just the different colors. This is a pastel blend. I only bought pastels, but you get that occasional really bright pop of a neon yellow in the blend. And then of course there's the purples, and oh my gosh, the colors are just amazing. So anyway, we'll go to the back. I want to do a full tour of the garden also, but I thought for people who just want to see the bulbs. All the pear blossoms are coming down, are pears. It took 18 years. I think the hard prune I did, but 18 years to get a beautiful bloom out of the pears. Although I will say, the blossoms smell like cat poop. The whole yard smells. It's so funny. Every year I think the neighbors aren't cleaning up the dog poop, and I figure out it's not, it's the pears. So it's kind of funny. So I have hyacinths, and I've kind of come to a realization I am not a hyacinth person. These are a beautiful peach color. They smell really strong, and I just don't really care for them, to tell you the truth. I don't think they're as showy as the other. For all the work, the daffodils and the tulips have really been, and the muscari. I do love the little purple pops of muscari around. And you get inside these beautiful tulips. So these are all in our side garden, which is really kind of neat because it hasn't woken up yet. So the bulbs are kind of filling in this area that's kind of blank right now. This is the coldest area of our garden, so everything wakes up really slow. The hydrangeas, the coral bells. We have heucherellas in there. Then I have a few scattered muscaris over here. Then the barrow. The old wheelbarrow. That is just going crazy with bulbs right now. I planted a total of 1,000 bulbs throughout the yard and pots. So that's that. I love the way this turned out. So cheerful. I can see it right outside my dining room window, which is really neat. So that's cool. Still a little messy in here. I haven't gotten to clean it up yet, so please excuse my appearance. We've been doing a lot of work. Just made a whole new bed for this year. And here's Buddha in the Zen garden with the fountain. Same kind of blend. Everything's just starting to wake up. Let's see, the phlox is starting to bloom. This plant's putting on a show. It's gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. I just bought more of it and put it over on the side. I'll put the name of it up on the screen. And we have a lot of spring bloomers going here. This, as you can see, is just getting planted up. And again, I'll do a video on what happened here. This was where the new children's garden was, but it got destroyed in a tropical storm. So that was really disappointing. So I can't wait to put this Astilbe in. It's big astilbes. Aren't they gorgeous? Visions in pink. We also have some proven winners getting ready to go in over here to go with the lemony lace elderberries here, which are also proven winners plants. This spirea is called candy corn. It is the prettiest spirea I've ever had, and I have a lot of experience with spirea. I love spirea, all spirea, but candy corn is just amazing. Willow's enjoying the sunny day. Willow. She's marking her pen routinely right now. I can't wait until she stops. She does it every spring. She's litter box trained, so she's an easy keeper. So excuse our appearance. I haven't gotten everything in. I've planted so many plants this year. My back is kind of killing me at this point. All right, so I think the next would be up on the patio. Just have some pansies. This is the box I did for spring. So it's just some pansies, a few tulips in the center, and then the evergreens from last year. They overwintered in my boxes, and I just planted around them. I have like a chrysanthemum over here. Oh no, the chrysanthemum's down at the bottom of the pot. I have some succulents and some tulips here. Daisy-like flowers. They're gorgeous. And then chicks are just coming awake. It's the second box. And they're just rail sitters. And then over here, this is the big window box to take it all in. I don't think I can get far enough back away from it. Oh yeah, I got it, I think. So again, pansies. Oh, this is candy tuft. Candy tuft is in here. I will move it into the landscape after it gets done blooming here. I think it's gorgeous. It does have a tendency to kind of open up and spread out. But other than that, I think it's really beautiful. I have learned that I really love white blooms. So it's something I've been concentrating more on. I wasn't sure against the White House, but I absolutely love them. I just think they look so elegant with the colored pansies, and it kind of cools things down a bit, so it just doesn't look so busy. So that's what I decided to do for spring. I kept it really simple. So that's pretty much it for the bulbs. And this part of the garden is starting to wake up. Thank you for joining me. Have a great day.